Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. To the SEC's opposition, for the disclosure of notes between the SEC Commissioner Roisman and the Ripple CEO himself. Notably, this is not the first opposition filed by the firm. The defense attorney stated on February 25 that the SEC wants to force the company to give over notes made by Matthew Estabrook, counsel to former SEC Commissioner Elliot Roisman. However, Phylan observes that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Ripple's top lawyer slammed SEC for offensive use of memos. According to the General Counsel, GC, at Ripple, Stuart Alderodi, the 2012 Perkins Coie memorandum to the company's founders demonstrates the company's good faith in attempting to issue digital tokens, in the absence of clear guidelines on how existing governmental legislation would apply to cryptocurrencies. With the release of the initial filing from February 2012 and the second memo, there was a compelling argument that the planned tokens would not be subject to federal securities laws. The company was outlining how it obtained its guidance, and it had won one battle in the court of public opinion by doing so. Ripple Labs Incorporated sought assistance not just on securities regulations, but also on a wide range of banking, anti-money laundering, and tax laws, as well as other matters. Ultimately, Ripple's general counsel believes that the SEC should have looked into the Perkins Coie memos and utilized Ripple as an example of proactive compliance, rather than reacting to the situation. National business and government policy. Given the past experiences with regulatory clarity, this step would help Ripple expand its presence in global markets. Talking about developments, the said platform granted 1 billion of its XRP tokens as grants for developers to create projects based on its payments-oriented distributed ledger. Overall, these developments would indeed act as a catalyst to trigger XRP's price action. In fact, Ripple's valuation hit $15 billion after the company undertook a share buyback. But was it the case? The sixth largest token surged by more than 3% in 24 hours according to CoinMarketCap. At press time, it traded just shy of the $0.8 mark. The most pertinent question was there room for more? Well, yes. As per Rec Capital, a famed analyst, XRP was in the process of reclaiming July 2021 support. If successful, XRP could reach the $1 mark soon. Its resistance, before dropping once more, which would show a short-term downtrend in progress. The chicken money flow also dipped beneath 0.05. Polkadot, DOT, in late February, Polkadot saw a sharp bounce from $14.05 to $19.56. Based on this move, a set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were drawn. At the time of writing, the price had been rejected from the 27.2% extension level at $21. The $21.3 area was still in bearish hands, but this could change, and DOT could push higher toward the next extension level, 61.8%, at $23. Even though the MACD was below the zero line, it formed a bullish crossover, and could see $21 retested as resistance once more. The CVD also appeared to flip from selling to buying. Presser why April is a crucial month for XRP vs SEC case. The defendants Bradley Garlinghouse, Christian Larson, and Ripple Labs Incorporated in the lawsuit against US SEC have filed for a motion for extension. As per the motion, they seek more time to respond against the Commission's proposed redactions of key documents. The defendants want to evaluate the material so that they can see to what extent they have objections to the proposed redactions. Ripple seeks extension. The motion mentions that the SEC will produce the documents by early next week. Meanwhile, both the parties have agreed to it and just need the court's approval. After reviewing the documents, the accused will file a response in court within 3 days. The defendants noted that the deadline to file their response was due on March 28, 2022. As per attorney James K. Filan, the court granted the individual defendants' requests for an extension to file their answers in a text-only order. Interestingly, he also mentioned that their reply is due no later than April 8, 2022. April will be critical month for lawsuit earlier highest proportion of cases involved, occupying the absolute main position, the report noted. Other favors included Tron, TRX, which was preferred by MLM criminals, and Ether, ETH, which was commonly involved in fraud and money laundering. The report is coming after Chinese police recently clamped down on a pyramid scheme involving Ripple's XRP tokens and over 45,000 investors. China has seen a net outflow of funds since banning crypto. Chaindex report also highlighted the effect that China's ban on crypto has been having on the country's involvement in crypto. In 2021, domestic outflow of crypto funds was far greater than inflows. Around 223 billion yuan left the shores of China, mostly headed to US crypto exchanges. Among them, 2.3 billion USDT and 830,000 BTC outflow, the report said. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.